guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do the super duper famous Alia Bhatt Met Gala 2024 makeup and hair look. It was so dreamy, so perfect, so surreal look. The entire Sabyasachi outfit was so pretty. So मैंने सोचा क्यों ना इस look को recreate किया जाए. It's the beautiful dewy makeup and the beautiful hair that she carried. So let's create this look, and if you want to know how I create this, stay tuned. So the first thing that I noticed in her look was not too much makeup, but बहुत ही clear glossy skin with very minimal eyes, very like minimal lips like she usually carries. So let's just recreate that. For that we need a lot of moisturization on the face. So for that I'm gonna take the Clinique Dramatically Different moisturizing lotion to just first moisturize my skin, though I have done my entire skincare routine in the morning. तो इससे थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा और मॉइस्चराइजिंग करते हैं. नेक्स्ट अप आई एम गोना यूज माय MAC Fix Plus just to give that extra hydration, and I'm gonna use my fan to just do this. Let's create the brows. For that I have two products from Anastasia. The first one is the Brow Freeze and the second one Dip Brow Pomade. I'm gonna use these two to create that beautiful feathery brows. Now next up is we're gonna create that perfect dewy base, and for that I first need to प्राइम हम लोगों ने फिक्स प्लस से ऑलरेडी कर लिया है. तो अब आई एम यूजिंग माई Forever 52 प्रोफेशनल डेली प्रोफेशनल पैलेट टू जस्ट डू माई कलर करेक्शन विथ ऑल ऑफ दिस ब्यूटिफुल शेड्स. काफ़ी amazing palette है ये. I quite like it. This is also there in my bridal kit. I prefer this palette a lot. So I'm gonna mix this and a little bit of this to just achieve the color that I need and start doing the color correction for that perfect looking base. So I have already applied one layer of the e.l.f. Halo Glow foundation. As you can see how beautiful this is, giving me the glow already. I need another, like a very few here and there as well. So I'm just taking a little bit more. It's a very glowy foundation, by the way. And Alia Bhatt's makeup was glowing that day, so I used this foundation. This is the e.l.f. one. I'm gonna put all the links whatever I'm using आज के इस वीडियो में. I'm gonna put all the links in the description box below, तो आप लोगों को वहाँ से मिल जाएगा. If you want to see any particular product का detail stuff, you can go see the description box and you will find it. Next up I'm gonna do a little bit of blush, contour and a little bit of highlight on my face. And for that contour के लिए तो I'm just picking up this same palette. For the highlight I'm gonna use the Anastasia's concealer. This is Magic Touch concealer, and for the blush I'm using the Nude Stick Nudies in the shade Poppy Girl. Okay, now that I've done all kind of blending, I'm looking like a blob of paint right now, but trust the process always. So next up, क्योंकि अभी बहुत ज़्यादा glowy लग रहा है skin, I'm gonna just put some powder here and there to set it up. And for that I'm using today the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Just taking a little bit onto my brush. I'm just gonna look up and then remove all the crease like this, and then I'm just gonna dab the powder. बहुत ज़्यादा I'm also not doing is because I want that glowiness to be there. Alright, next up is the eyes. For that I am taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. Alia Bhatt ke eyes were very minimalistic that day, so I'm taking all the nudes from this palette. I'm just gonna create a very soft eyes with brown liner, and for that I am taking the Swiss Beauty Color Me Up, Color Me Bright sketch liner, and I'm gonna create that beautiful, very minimalistic eye look. Now that my eye look is done, I'm gonna just do a little bit of mascara, curl my lashes and put on some lashes. So for that I'm just gonna curl my lashes first. For the mascara, I have the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is the mini version and I love minis. So I'm just gonna do the mascara with this one. This is brand new actually, not yet opened it. So doing it for this video. Oh, look at this. I'm in love with this mascara. Look at the difference, can you see? So after doing my mascara, I'm just gonna put on some lashes and I'm gonna come back. Okay, now that my lashes are also done, I am gonna do a little bit of extra blush, and for that I'm again going back to the nude sticks, nudies, because I absolutely love how glowy it makes the skin. And this is a perfect like corally kind of shade which Alia was also wearing, and then with the help of this only I'm gonna do my lips, but I need a brush. This is actually an overall color which we can use on your overall face. It also says it's for lips, blush, wherever you need this color. On eyes you can do this. So I'm just using this same shade because she was wearing something similar to this shade as a lip shade, so I'm wearing this same thing on my lips as well. Alia के मैंने पुराने videos भी देखे हैं. She loves doing lips which are of the same color of her own lips. तो मैंने वो भी देखा है कि she just applies the lipstick and then she wipes it off. So I'm not gonna wipe it off, but I'm just gonna put it very minimal, not doing any lip liner, anything, just putting this lipstick as this is my own lip color. Now it's time for doing my favorite part, which is the highlighter, and for that I'm taking my favorite Rare Beauty highlighter. This is in the shade Flaunt, and I absolutely love this highlighter. Just taking like a fan brush, I'm just gonna show you the magic. Look at this, and then this will be transformed into a glowy base like she was wearing. Now for the end step, I'm again gonna take my Fix Plus and I'm just gonna seal everything, melt everything together. With my fan, I'm just gonna do this again and dry everything out. So guys, as far as the makeup, it's done from my end. I'm gonna come back with the hair and the outfit. So guys, I'm back after doing my hair and my outfit, and it is looking so pretty. This is the Alia Bhatt picture that she, carrying herself in Met Gala, and this is my take on the Alia Bhatt Met Gala 2024 look. Comment in the below comment box and let me know what you think about this look. And yeah, I am so happy how this looks actually came out. I mean, look at this hair and oh my god, the entire look is looking so super duper pretty. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you love the video. If you do like the video, do hit the like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have not yet followed me on my Instagram handle is right here. So go ahead and follow me there as well, because a lot of different content goes there as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video again, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.